would never have happened if I still had the... Never mind. I will be more careful next time. There he is! Let's go!
Got a clear shot, man!
A clear shot! Ah!
We'll have to split up again.
How do we open the gates? I will go after the doctor. Eyes open.
I'll be more careful next time.
Levers and platforms. The tower itself. What does this do? Can you find something to lower the platform? The doctor.
What is he chanting?
It is from a hymn my mother liked. He must think it is a spell to work with the child. He's madder than I thought.
You go ahead. I'll climb around the other way. We'll flank him.
I warned my guards you'd have 9 lives. I should have strangled the last of them from you myself!
Did I?
My life for a dirty piece of savagery.
What's that?
You did not think I would give up all my secrets so easily.
I'm learning not to. But how?
Does it work? It lets me see.
Into
Minds? No. Into all things. Only for a few seconds anyway.
long enough
To escape.
Patience, will you?
Accompany me to Connor's homestead? I would be honored.
Excellent.